Number 1, free up some space on your phone, or rather free up storage space. So now, if your phone is full, you can't, your phone will a bit slow down. So here I'm saying, so as you can see my phone here, it's saying release more space. That means it has a bit slowed down. So I'll go to videos and delete some. I'll try to delete some here, some that are useless and are eating up my space. So I'll try to delete them so that my phone try to run quick, okay? Yeah. Now as you can see, I've increased some space. So number 2, try uninstalling apps that you don't use, okay? Apps like this one, I will try to uninstall here. I will uninstall it because I don't use it. That means it keeps on eating space and slowing down my phone. I'll look for another that I normally don't use. Apps that you don't normally use, you should delete them from your phone. Now, number 3, change system animation speed. So now here, what I mean is, there are some apps that are running in the background that do animate, or like you can set up a wallpaper that do animate. So what you're going to do, go to settings, like here, go to scroll down and go to accessibility and tap on accessibility like this and keep scrolling down. Now as you can see here, remove animations. What you're going to do, you're going to turn it off like this. Tap it off. That means the apps that are animating in the background are turned off. So that means the phone will be smooth and running. Okay? Yeah, let's go to number 4. Now if you see that you've opened up apps and you've tried closing and you have failed, you will have to restart your phone. I hope everyone knows how to restart, so that it can start and it will be fresh. That one I won't give it too much time, but it also helps to release more memory, to have more running capacity. Let's go to number 5. Now number 5 says use light edition apps. Use light edition apps. So now as you can see, we have this main Facebook and the light Facebook. So for the slow phones, I advise you guys to use Facebook Lite, because the other one is way too big in size and in opening. It's a bit slow. You should use the light one, the light version of Facebook. There are so many apps that have light versions, like as you can see Imo here. Imo also has a light version. So what you do, you go to Play Store and type in Imo Lite. Whatever app that you want in the light version, put in like Imo Lite Facebook Lite, Messenger Lite, so many apps that have light version. So you shouldn't bother or like put your phone on burden. Look for light version of these apps. They are there, apps that can open up quickly and can't slow up your phone. Number 6, update your phone to the latest versions. When you open up Play Store like this, and tap on, and when you tap in your email address, you can see here manage apps on the device. So when you go in manage on the apps on your device, you can see here number 1 says no harmful app found. Then number 2 is saying updates available. You just tap here like this. As you can see, all of these wants to be updated, all of them. So what you do, you update one by one so that you get the latest light versions of these apps. I hope you understand me. Number 7 says factory reset your phone. Now so many phones have tendency of slowing down just because they are getting old. So if your phone is somehow old, what you do, you will have to factory reset it. Okay, tap on settings, tap here like this. So many phones have this available there in the settings. So have this search bar, just type here factory reset, then you just tap here. But first of all, I warn you, factory resetting, it will erase all your data, including phone numbers. First of all, if they are not stored on card, photos, accounts, videos, so many things that will go. But if you have backed them up on Google, let's say you have a Gmail account or rather any email that is in this phone, you can back them up. I'll do a video about backing up photos and videos plus contacts on your email. So what you do, you tap in erase all data. As you can see here, all accounts on this phone will be erased. You can see here. So if you continue and tap in erase, directly it will go. Everything will go. Okay? So that's another way of putting your phone right. Now lastly, number 8, I'll talk about the junk files. I'll define it like junk files are temporary files that perform actions and commands on your phone or rather your device for many different purposes. They are useful at times because they help you perform specific jobs on your phone or rather on your device. But if you're not using that app that has a junk file in the background, that means it's trying to slow down your phone. So what you do, for those that don't have this app called Phone Master, you can download it from Play Store. But so many phones, or rather some phones have this called Phone Master. It's so useful, you can use it. As you can see here, this is the junk file I'm showing you. You can tap on it, then everything will do for itself. As you can see, it has almost taken up 7.27 of my space, GBs of my space. So what you do, you tap in clean. That means you avoid some space and as for number one, as I told you in tip number one, the more space, the more speed. So guys, those are the 8 tips that I wanted to share with you today. I hope you love them. I hope you keep subscribing. I hope you invite more friends to like, share and comment, to follow for more tips. The more you give me energy, the more I do more videos about anything that you want, guys. FLPs, factory resets, tips, free internet connections, and so on. So I just want to thank you guys. Thanks for sharing, for liking, watching, and so on. Bye.